Well, that could be a couple of different things. I mean, it could be a lot of things. If your ductwork could be making noise, your blower motor could be making noise. Maybe the bearings are starting to go out in it. Producer motor bearings start to go out in it. Filter gets sucked into the furnace, which happens a lot because people out of sight, out of mind, they forget to check their filters and they get so dirty that it can't pull enough air in. So it pulls the actual filter into it. So it could be a couple of different things. Absolutely.